Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Fun Drop Treasure Ball. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you play a game, and basically after you reach a certain point, they claim that they will pay you, or you can cash out. So I'm just going to say this right off the bat guys, that please do not download and play this game in the hopes of making money, since if it did, this would be making headlines, and it would be making a lot of people a lot of money. So as you can see, there's no reviews here on Google Play. And as you can see, this is what the game looks like right here. So you can win. So it's just basically just like gambling. You can win slots right here. So as you can see, they have this withdraw button, which is too good to be true, since if you could earn $141 just by playing, then this would be the income of most people. And please guys, you can play this game if you want, but please do not download this in the hopes of making money. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.